Hello everyone, I'm Sritoma. I have done my graduation in statistics from Ashutosh College and currently I am pursuing Masters in Statistics from Banaras Hindu University. Before diving into explanation of what statistics means or why should you opt for this subject as your career option, I would like to share one of my experiences, the reason why I chose this subject as my career option. So when I passed the 10th standard, I was provided with two options. One was to take biology and another was statistics. So as biology was a already known subject to me and statistics was a whole new subject, it was very difficult for me to choose a whole new subject and just go with the flow. But it was very difficult for me at that time to choose. So what I did, I went for both the tuition classes for 1 month. That is, I had attended 4 classes in each of those subjects, and the first day when I went to the statistics tuition, the topic which was being taught that day was combinatorials, and combinatorials is one of the stepping stones of probability and statistics. So as I was very fond of mathematics, it immediately aroused some interest in me. So when I went back home, I calculated the probability of me scoring good marks in biology and scoring good marks in statistics, and the odds were favoring statistics for me. So that was the first time statistics or probability got introduced in my life. So if we talk about statistics now, let me first tell you that statistics is an application of mathematics, and if you like mathematics, let me frame it this way, that mathematics is basically some accumulation of some numbers and equations or formulas. Suppose you are floating in the 3-dimensional space, and likewise the numbers, the equations and the formulas also float in the 3-dimensional space. So they have no story attached to them. What statistics does, it attaches a practical or real world problem to those equations or numbers. Hence, we can deal with the real world problems in our life by applying mathematics to a story background to it. And hence the subject statistics came into play. For example, suppose you want to find out the number of accidents occurring in your locality in a particular day. So you will take help of statistics in this situation. What you will do, you will, if you learn the subject, you know that you will know that number of accidents follow a statistical distribution which is known as Poisson distribution. And the Poisson PMF is basically a mathematical model. You can see, apart from the story, the Poisson PMF has no meaning. But when you attach a story to it, that is the number of road accidents, the whole plot gives a meaning to itself. So hence we are attaching mathematics to a practical world problem to get finally a subject like statistics. And another example can be like, suppose statistics can be applied to weather forecasting. Suppose you want to find whether it will rain after 2 days or not, then you will take help of statistics. And another example can be, suppose you want to go to your friend's birthday party. So you have dressed up well, but it may rain that day. You do not know whether it will rain or it will be sunny that day. So what you will do, you do not want to take the umbrella as it will ruin your get-up. So you have to come to a decision that will minimize the risk, because you don't want to get total wet and go to the birthday party. So what will you do? You will take help of statistical decision theory, that whether it will rain or not, or whether you should take the umbrella or not, to come to a correct decision which will lower the risk, which will minimize the risk. You have to take help of statistical decision theory. Another example of statistics can be, suppose you are working in a pharmaceutical company and you are launching a new drug, and you are to test whether this new drug is good enough to replace the current drug which is already available in the market, because obviously no inferior drug can be produced in the market. So you will take help of statistical hypothesis testing to test the fact whether this new drug can replace the old drug. Hence statistics has wide application in the fields of medical science also, and we can extend these examples to very large dimensions, because statistics has its application to time series analysis, to model situation, like to model regression analysis, and you can, if you proceed further in this subject, you can compare the classical test with the Bayesian statistics also. Those are can be explained in detail if you take this course. But also a project which I am working in my master's course is whether the personality traits of students affect their academic performances. Suppose, apart from brilliance, we know that brilliance and IQs, all those affect our academic performances, but I want to test whether your or my personality traits, that is whether I'm an introvert or whether I'm an extrovert, whether I answer questions or ask questions in class or not, whether these traits will can affect my academic performances. This is a part of psychometry, and when we attach statistics or mathematics to psychology, you can come up with various interesting results, like one of which I'm working on currently. So finally, I hope with these examples I could give you a little bit interest to opt for this stream. If you feel like, if you are if you love mathematics and you want to take a course which is an application of mathematics, then you can surely think statistics as an option. Finally, I want to thank Masterclass to provide this opportunity and this platform to connect with the students through the online platform, and I hope this will help you in choosing your career options, and thank you.